but Run Run Deals have the coupons. Let's check them out. Alright you all, my coupon find on Run Run Deals was this kitchen scale. I love to cook. I love to cook. So this is going to help me out tremendously in the kitchen. Alright you all, I like what I see so far. As you can see, it is battery operated. It has 2 small batteries in the back. Batteries are already in it, and as you see, it comes right on. Make sure when you're using it, you put it on a flat surface. That will ensure that the calculations are correct. Alright you all, as you can see, I'm about to weigh this water so you can get a better view of how the scale works. I can also go ahead and press the different units so we can make sure we're using the correct amount for any type of recipe we want to do. I'm liking this so far. I'm going to use this in my kitchen on the daily. I know I like a good deal, and hopefully you do too. Make sure before you check out, you go check Run Run Deals to see if they have a deal on the product in your cart. See you next time.